Alright, so we're almost done here. I finished with this box. I put my charger, my EV charger here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a little roof here, and I got a mountain to put it like that, and I'm gonna do it the same over here as well. Alright, and I'm gonna just make it nicer, like a real EV station. Alright, let's go back to work. Let's go. Let's go. This is how it looks like at night, so I can see what's going on later. I got this charger and I put some caulking here to make sure that all those joints are well sealed in case of the rain. That was just me, but I did that. This charger goes up to 40 amp, so that's perfect. So my car is here and it stays here. So far I've been pleased. Like I said, this is a year later, and everything is great. House has not got on fire yet. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later on the next project. Peace.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves, there's no one I can turn to.